This 1956 Chevy Bel Air is a beauty and it's a beast. I don't know if you noticed them big giant meats under the back of the car. Well, there's a fuel injected built 454 motor under the hood. But I tell you what, if you want to just go cruising, it's got power steering, power disc brakes, overdrive, air conditioning, and even power windows. It's got a stereo system, and it's a looker too. Go to volocars.com where you can look at a few hundred cars for sale, including this one. You'll find the price tag there with a monthly finance option. But for right now, buckle up. Let's go for a spin. So we just got this from the Georgia Mountain Collection. I was down there once. It's a 50-car collection up in the mountains, beautiful neon signs and beautiful cars. And every once in a while, he lets go of a few of them. I looked at this car a year or 2 years ago, and we finally just got it from him. So up front here, the body, the hood fits precisely. This is absolutely straight. This is clean metal, straight, straight, straight. The door fits square and flush. Let's see if it passes the J test. And it does. Absolutely straight, clean metal. The roof is straight. All this is excellent. I don't see any issue with the body. Actually, to the contrary, it's better than I was expecting. This thing lines up beautifully. It is straight. And for what it's worth, the paint is slick. It's polished like glass. It's wet. It's shiny. It's smooth. And these are the original colors. I think it's India Ivory and turquoise, tropical turquoise. Still looking beautiful. Let's try out this door. Yeah, shuts real nice. Beautiful, clean metal and paint. I did see some imperfections in the hood. You got to kind of look for them, but a couple little blisters in the paint. Just a few right in this area. The rest of it is really nice. This hood, for some reason, they never line up. This one lines up really well. I'm going to call the chrome a 7 or 8 out of 10. It's just got a little bit of tarnishing, a couple little pits or freckles. A lot of stuff's reproduction, maybe isn't the best quality, but it was all replaced. It all looks great. It has the halogen tri-bar headlights in there. Now the stainless moldings are all polished and straight, and they all fit real nice. Correct antenna is shiny. The wiper arms, the moldings, all this is really nice and straight. Mirrors on both sides. Door handle guards, door handles all look really nice. I don't know if they replaced all the glass because it's crystal clear. I'm going to say they did replace the glass, new gaskets as well. Here's a hairline crack in the gutter, in the paint in the gutter there, no big deal. Tail lights, all this look really nice. If you don't know where the gas goes on a 56, we sold one years ago, and the guy called us from the gas station. He's like, I have no idea where to put gas in this car I just bought. So the body and paint and trim is stock 56. It's a real Bel Air, born these colors. It's the tires and wheels that give it away. 15-inch polished torque thrust front and back, but obviously in back they are huge. They're really wide. It's tubbed. It has Mickey Thompson street strip tires on there. So it's looking really good on the outside. Let's open it up, check out the inside, get your sunglasses out for that engine compartment. I'll show you a real nice trunk compartment. So it's painted up nicely, new weather strip. Door jamb or trunk jamb is nice. There's a little cracking in the paint right there. But look at the inside. These are them big tubs they put in for them big tires underneath. Got real nice looking carpet. Fit, custom cut and fit in here. Alpine CD changer. Comes with a Coca-Cola cooler. But wait a minute. What is this? That's the battery box. Very clever. It's like it was made for that. Fits beautifully. Here's a disconnect. Shuts the whole car off when you park it or go away. We do have Buy It Now button on each car on our website, volocars.com. If you see something you really like, click the button. That'll get it locked in for you before someone else beats you to it. Door jambs are painted slick. The weather strips are real nice and fit real nice. It has original style door panels, reproduction panels, but some custom chrome handles, and you might notice the power window switches as well. So this interior does have the original vintage flavor with just some nice upgrades. It's got the Dakota digital gauges. The trim is still original. The AC, though, this is the original style controls, but this is modern for the modern AC that's in there. Here's the stereo system, touchscreen. It's got a digital clock that matched the gauges. The AC vents are under the dash. These vents here were chrome plated. Carpet's in real nice shape. There is sound deadener under the carpet. The seat's been reupholstered like the original, has the chrome piping. I'm going to call it an 8. It's just gentle age, a little dirtiness. Maybe it'll steam clean a little nicer, but it's in excellent shape as far as rips, tears, that sort of thing. It's not worn at all. Side panels, armrests, all beautiful. It's got power windows in the back too. Nice bright white headliner, dome light works, matching white visors. I looked under the dash, has modern push-in fuse panel, new wiring. So it has a polished tilt column with a custom steering wheel. It's got billet pedals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put out several videos a week. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when they're posted. All right, I warned you, get your sunglasses on. It's a 454 performance built engine. Up on top is this really cool, like a dual tunnel ram. It's fuel injection, but it looks like 2 4-barrels. It's all polished. It has a street and performance fuel injection system on top, and you can see everything's chromed, chrome runners, stainless braided cables, chrome valve covers. It's got a set of headers. It has the nice braided dipsticks. The front of the motor has a polished AC compressor. I really like the hard lines. You don't see that too often for the AC. Billet brackets, billet pulleys, serpentine belt. More billet brackets, chrome alternator. The modern power steering's hiding underneath there, but has a remote reservoir. And then I should bring your attention to the Griffin aluminum radiator with an overflow. It has a fan out front, and it's got an electric fan in the back. It has stainless steel radiator hoses. So it's got a lot going on. It's got an aluminum polished water pump, power brakes with chrome booster. You don't see a wiper motor because it's an upgraded electric wiper system. It's up under the dash of the car. The engine bay is painted nicely. Under the hood looks nice. So yeah, you'll be proud to open this hood. So Caleb's going to go take you for a drive. Hopefully he keeps it between the lines.
Picked the perfect day to take the 56 Bel Air out for a cruise. We're going to show you guys how it drives. One sec, just adjusting my mic. Anyway, yeah, very cool car. You know, it's not often you see them like a Pro Street, so it's definitely a unique build. And it's a neck breaker. Everyone's staring at it. We got a bunch of thumbs up just in the parking lot. It's got a pretty tight, firm steering on it. Power brakes work nice. Power steering works good. Turn signals work. We'll see if they cancel. Brakes are really nice on this thing. We were playing with the stereo, or the head unit here. I got it to turn on. It powers up. I haven't figured out the display yet on it, so maybe it's just user error. But the speakers, they were playing the beeping through them, so I got to play with that a little more. heat works good. Fan blows, it's not too loud. All the gauges obviously on the digital dash are working. So let's see what this baby does. Just like that, light them up. This is a fun car, guys. You'll enjoy it a lot. We're spinning the tires a little bit, but she hooks, she boogies, drives down the road straight. It's smooth. The suspension is set up so it's, it floats, but it is a little bit of a firmer ride too. You're gonna feel it. It's not a Cadillac. This is set up to be a drag racer, but you can drive it down the road. It's streetable. Such a cool car. Listen to that thing. Woo! 454. Doesn't get better than that. I believe the turn signal cancels. Yep. So there you guys have it. Turn the key, get in, go for a rip.
So there's a lot of good stuff going on underneath this car as well. A lot of upgrades. The front end was completely rebuilt and it's upgraded with tubular control arms. The upper ones are chrome. You can see them from inside the engine bay. And it has coil-over adjustable gas shocks. The steering's rebuilt. There's upgraded components as a part of that as well. Now the back half is completely redesigned custom chassis for them big tires. So that's all restructured. It's a 4-link system with coil-over shocks. It's got great sounding dual exhaust, Flowmaster mufflers, crossover pipe. It does go all the way out the back. The fuel tank was replaced. Matter of fact, that's one of the things we just did. From sitting, the fuel is bad. The entire fuel system, the tank, the sending unit, the fuel pump, the fuel pressure gauge, some sensors, all sorts of stuff pertaining to the fuel, we completely replaced. Looking up at the motor, it has an extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. It's upgraded with a 700 R4 overdrive automatic, so you get out on the highway. This car will cruise. Actually, with them tall tires, it also makes it that much better of a cruiser as far as the ratios go. In back is a narrowed heavy-duty 9-inch rear end. The floors all look to be good and solid, the supports and all that good stuff. So yeah, you've got a nice dialed-in car, best of all worlds. It's a show car, it's going to get looks. It's a brute muscle car if you want to get out and get some aggression out, or if it's a Sunday afternoon and you just want to go cruise with your lady friend, you just turn on the air and put it in drive and go. You can go to volocars.com to talk to the salesman about your questions, including how to get it to your door, how to get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.